Hi guys, what's up? This is part 2 and that's the fire.
Hi guys! Whee!
Fire. Whee.
Oh yeah, we just made like a video 1 minute ago.
And there it is.
If you want to see some more stuff, we will do some stuff on Easter or Christmas.
Come on. Hold up. Where's your hat, Benny?
What's wrong
Can you guys see that? Boom, boom, boom. Right, and that's the end. I'll see you.